Raising the rent doesn't have to mean losing a great renter. The secret is finding the balance between your property's market value and the high cost of a vacancy. If you have a reliable renter, a small transparent increase is often better for your bottom line than a large spike that forces a turnover. Hi everyone, I'm Matt Etherton, General Manager at Avail, and a DIY landlord for over 15 years. One of the hardest decisions we face as landlords is whether or not to raise the rent at renewal time. You want to keep up with rising costs, but you also don't want to lose a renter who takes care of your property and pays on time. In this video, I'm going to share my personal pricing strategies, what you should consider before changing your rates, and how to communicate an increase so your renters feel valued rather than blindsided. Before you send out a renewal notice, there's a crucial what to know about the true cost of raising rent. You have to look at your long-term goals. Are you focused on maximum monthly cash flow or long-term equity and stability? I personally prioritize stability. For example, even if I could raise a unit's rent by $200 a month, which is an extra $2,400 a year, I have to ask, is that worth it if it causes turnover? A single vacancy can easily cost you $5,000 to $10,000 when you factor in cleaning, repairs, marketing, and the lost rent while the unit is empty. Often keeping a great renter at a slightly lower than market rate is actually the more profitable business move. If you decided that an increase is necessary, here is my step-by-step process for doing it professionally. Step 1, analyze the market with real data. Don't guess what the rent should be. Perform a thorough market analysis using local rental comps to see what similar units in your neighborhood are actually charging. I use rent estimate reports to get an accurate view of demand and ensure I'm not pricing myself out of the market or leaving too much money on the table. Step 2, be transparent and give notice. Transparency goes a long way. I always explain why the rent is changing, whether it's due to the local market or property improvements I've made. Make sure you provide this notice well in advance so your renter doesn't feel blindsided. Step 3, offer value in exchange. If you're worried an increase might push a good renter out, use bargaining chips to help them stay. Instead of waiting for an appliance to fail, I might offer to replace a $2,000 refrigerator if the renter agrees to renew at the new rate. You can also use tiered rent structures, offering a lower monthly rate if they commit to a longer lease, like 18 to 24 months. Step 4, document the new terms. Once you agree on the new terms, you'll need to create a new lease agreement. While it might be tempting to just write a note, a fresh lease ensures all terms, including the new rent amount and the new end date, are legally binding and clear to both parties. The secret to raising rent professionally is communication. By sharing market data and showing your renters that you value their residency, you turn a potentially tense situation into a collaborative one. Remember, your goal isn't just to collect more rent, it's to manage a successfully stable business asset. When you treat your renters like partners and back your decisions with data, you build a reputation as a professional landlord that people want to rent from. For more information on rent collection and managing renters, click the link in our description and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos to help you landlord with confidence. Thanks for watching.